Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to paint tree branches with watercolor. Please watch my full video. Hope you will enjoy it. Already I sketched the tree and its branches. At first, wet the paper with water by using my large brush. It is 300 GSM paper and its size A3 size 11 inch by 15 inch. After wetting the paper, I am using cobalt blue and lemon yellow. This makes the sky beautiful. Wet in wet technique make the sky beautiful effect. Now using sap green, and mix the color as well and mixed with little lemon yellow. It makes the field brighter. Now I using some burnt sienna as well on the field, the light effect and some dry grass effect or muddy effect. This look the field a realistic effect. The first layer almost complete. Now I have to wait the paper to dry. This paper already dried and you can see I already paint the background trees and the grasses of the field. Now I am painting the trees with mixture of cobalt blue and burnt sienna, because my main object is the tree and its branches, so I skip the second layer. I already did the sketch of the branches of the tree, so I paint the branches on the sketch. This color is very deep. This is not cobalt blue. I used Prussian blue with burnt sienna. It's make a dark color. So now I painting the branches. I paint the branches of the tree, almost all branches. Now I will lift some color from the trees by using wet brush, full clean wet brush. Rub on the color and it's clean, and again rub on the trees and you can see the color is lifting. I lift the color because the sunlight, I have to show the sunlight, the light coming from right side, so I will lift some color. Either the tree is looking black, and light effect you can make the trees a realistic look. Wet the brush and rub on the color, and again clean the brush and lift the color. Now paint some dark shadow on the grasses under the tree, and you can also, you have to paint the shadow of the trees because the sunlight coming from right, so you have to paint the shadow left side of the trees because it's standing on the grass, so you have to carefully paint the shadow. It's and look the grass effect on the painting. The shadow, it is not black color or gray. I mixed Persian blue and burnt sienna and I paint the shadow. Now I fill the place where I leave the color with burnt sienna. Now I draw some more branches on the trees. It is make the trees more beautiful. Paint more branches. This is number 2 round brush I am using. the painting is completed and I signing on the paper. I hope you enjoy the process and thank you for watching my full video. If you like, please comment and subscribe my channel.